In time past, I revealed what is inside an iPhone battery, Huawei battery, and Samsung battery. So in this particular one, I'm going to be revealing to you what is inside a TECNO battery. In these mobile phone batteries are made up of lithium-ion, which is the cells that makes all these batteries to function. I'm going to be unveiling to you what is actually in the TECNO battery. Is it different from what is in other batteries? So I'm going to be unwrapping this TECNO battery to see how it looks inside, to see if it's different from the other batteries in which we've unwrapped, like Samsung, iPhone, and Huawei. In conclusion, all phone batteries are made up of lithium-ion, which is a cell that is making the battery to be able to function, to be able to store voltage. Thank you for watching. Please, if you want more of this and a whole lot more, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Have a blessed day.